Hunters, this is Mike Harris with the Alaska Department of Fish and Game, and I'm here today to talk to you about our wildlife education kits for you to check out and learn about Alaska wildlife. All throughout the year, whether it's in the snow or whether it's in the summertime where there's soil or silt on the ground, we always get questions about coming in and pictures like, what are these tracks? What animal left these tracks? So we have the material for you to be able to check out and then teach this to your students, whether it's in a classroom or homeschool. We have a track kit of Alaska animal tracks kit, and in that kit we have latex tracks, we have track canvases, we have life-size track stencils, and we have a new teacher guide called Alaska Animal Tracks Teacher's Guide. So you can take all of this material and use it with your students to learn about wildlife tracks, and then take that outside to go explore and find out what you can find in your schoolyard or in your woods near your home, etc. We're out here today just in a random place, and we're walking out in the woods, and all of a sudden I see this track pattern in the snow, and it caught my eye because these could have been passed by as dog tracks, because there's a bunch of people, there's a parking lot over there. But I looked at these tracks, and the things that I noticed were, well, they're very round. The tracks are very round, they're very large. And there's two tracks on each side of the body. There's a left side, a right side, a left side. So the first thing I did is I came over and looked at the tracks, and I noticed, I put my fingers where the toes are. There's a 1 toe, 2 toes, 3 toes, 4 toes, and then a small palm pad. So, and you also notice there's a leading toe on these 4 feet. And to me, that means that this is a feline. And because of the size and the way that this animal is walking, it's called an overstep walk. The hind foot is landing past the front foot. I know that this is a lynx track. So that's really cool to find this. And it's really cool to see this track pattern in the shallow snow. And yeah, so that's just one thing that you can learn by exploring our material, and then you can get outside and find a lot more.